Brake checking is a risky game, and today we're watching drivers who learn that the hard way. Instant karma, close calls, and well-deserved lessons.
Now towards Leicester Square. It's high risk through pedestrians towards Trafalgar Square. Mark Solos, he's just behind that bus, now on the centre reservation.
The road raging driver in this Ford pickup truck intentionally causes a crash by ramming the dashcam driver. Here we have some extreme road rage that ends in the pickup truck driver getting arrested. He gets out for a confrontation and screams at the dashcam driver, and he lies too about the crash. Oh yeah, and he pulled out a knife. I should probably mention that. You could see it in his hand. Now he wants to play a game of hopscotch. The dashcam driver already called the cops and they're on their way. That guy is gonna get arrested right on the spot. I don't know what he was thinking pulling out a knife like that. Let's watch the moment when the cops come and the guy does not cooperate with them at all.
Step out of the car! Step out of the car!
The cop tells him to get out of the truck and he just closes the door. Like, look at that. He argues with the cop. He clearly doesn't think he did anything wrong. He's actually shocked that the cops even showed up. Finally, the guy gets out of the truck. It took quite a while, but the cop gets him to come out of the truck. And he gets arrested right on the spot, but he does resist a little bit, as you're about to see. The guy tries lying about the crash that he caused. Luckily, the dashcam driver has a dashcam. The guy then gets mad at the cops for going through his pockets. Watch him rage now.
Hey, can I do anything illegal? Disorderly conduct. Hey, come here. I have to talk to you real quick. Hey, this is not fair. This is not fair.
Legend says you can still hear him screaming about how it's not fair to this very day. There's a word I like to use to describe a certain kind of driver, and I call that the prick-up truck driver. This semi-truck was crossing the railroad tracks when this idiot driver got angry because he couldn't wait. He was angry that the trucker wouldn't bow down to his royal prickness because the trucker wouldn't let him in, so he puts down his window to flip off the trucker and yell some curse words. He then opens his door to flip off the trucker again. But look what happens now. He gets some instant karma. Notice his taillight is broken now. All his fault. All his fault, 100%. What a douche knob. Of course he blocks traffic. He doesn't even bother to pull over properly. He confronts the trucker and demands that the trucker pay for his taillight. The trucker points to his dash cam. The trucker ain't paying for nothing. That dude is out of luck. He can go cry to his insurance now, but he's not gonna get a dime from this trucker for his own stupid actions. This brake-checking pickup truck driver is about to get some poetic instant justice. I don't know who in their right mind would even brake-check a semi in the first place, but this driver at the end of this video is not going to be very pleased, especially because his pickup took quite a bit of damage. But as the saying goes, play stupid games, win stupid prizes.
Got you on camera. I don't think that was necessary, dude. I got you on camera. I don't think that was necessary. You cut me off and hit the brakes. No, I didn't. Yes, you did. I got you on camera.
This video is proof here that some people really shouldn't be allowed to drive or operate a motor vehicle. Check out what this driver does. She purposely moves her car in a way so that the cam car can't go anywhere. She then pulls out her phone to record him, which is insane.
Come on, what are you doing? I have a dash camera right here. I don't know what you're doing.
Listen to their interaction now.
Get some help. Get some help, please. I don't know what you need help. I don't know what you're doing. What? You need help. You're an asshole.
Turn left on. Where are you? Are you ready to eat ice cream? What are you doing, dude? It's the other side. It's the other side, you donut. No, it's the other side. This is one way. It's the other side. This is one way. This is one way. You have to go to that side. What are you doing? You gotta go to that side.
Далеко тут пробка, нет? Навигатор показывает до моста, блядь, после шуравления. Мы ремонтируем.
Ты куда лезешь, блядь?
3 километра показывает. Вот, за мостом там полкилометра там рождение открывает разделительная бетонная. Начинается весна, потом лето, ремонты, блядь, как и до декабря месяца. Каждый год, блядь. В этом году реконструкция и начинается отказывать от того системы. Если поставить рождение, наверное, там сужение, да? Нахуй вы в левый ряд, блядь, лезете. Вы лучше, блядь, шаг в этом порядке станьте туда, блядь, и едьте все по очереди. Чего, блядь, самый ум...
Just saw that accident.
That guy's got 3 cars in it. Well, I think
I saw those 2.
Yeah, well, that car was standing just.
Place like a bomb that keeps ticking, and they regret not chasing after it after they had the ammunition. The ammunition fades away like a red on the rose, and the regret sucks the life from everybody.
Oh, dude,
what
the
rose
fuck
ain't red,
are you doing?
Time, but ain't fake. But when I die, I'll tell myself these lyrics I speak.
Tariffs on our exports when they basically attach the tariffs on us. There's a whole bunch of stuff. Like,
supposed to turn. What are they gonna pull over me? That guy. Yes. God, yes! Bro. Yes! I'll pull it up. Dude, and I just like, what the fuck, man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into it last time. Yes!
You okay? She asked as she came over and took the cup, refilling it, then set it on the nightstand and began fluffing the pillows a bit and checking the sheets and covers. The other nurse going around to the other side of the bed. I will be. When they find Laura, Jason said, you love her a lot, huh? Obviously. She's my whole world. Jason managed to say, and then leaned back into the pillow as tiredness overcame him.